Hello students, I am Anuradha Kadam and today we are going to see 8th Science 3rd chapter Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. So before starting our this lesson, just we will see that fibers if we consider, so fibers are of two types, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. So natural fibers are those which we are getting from the animals as well as the plants. So these things you have studied in class 6 and 7. So now what is this the synthetic fibers are? So synthetic fibers are nothing but the artificial fibers, and in detail we are going to see in this chapter about the synthetic fibers. So in this chapter we have to see what is exactly the synthetic fibers, the types of synthetic fibers, and the plastic, its use and its disadvantages. So just see, synthetic fibers on the other hand, they are made by the human beings, means they are made in the factories. That is why these are called synthetic or man-made fibers. A synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. Means here you can see here you can see there is a chain of the beads. In this bead chain, you have seen there is all the beads are with the same size, same shape, same color. And another one chain is there which made with the paper clips. So this chain is having the same unit, means same paper clips are there. They are only arranged or joined with each other, and long chains are made. Means here the similar pins, or if we consider that bead or this pin as a unit, so here similar units are repeated. So exactly the same synthetic fibers is also the chain of such small units, and yes, these small units are made up with the chemical substances. So each small unit is actually a chemical substance, and many such small units combine to form a large single unit called a polymer. Now we will see types of synthetic fiber. So whenever we are discussing the types of synthetic fiber, there are the mainly three types of the synthetic fiber. So the first synthetic fiber is rayon, second nylon, and third polyester and acrylic. So you have read in class 7 that silk fibers obtained from the silkworm, and which is discovered in China, but was kept a closely guarded secret for a long time. So what happened? These fabrics which obtained from the silk fiber, actually they were very costly, very beautiful texture, fascinated everybody. Attempts were made to make silk artificially. So towards the end of the 19th century, scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having properties which is similar to that of silk. So these things you have studied in class 7, that how China was kept a secret of making silk, and because of its look, its what we can say, its beautiful texture and its shininess. So everyone want to actually take this, but because of its costs it is not possible, and we can say the production is also limited, because only in China it is made, so it is very limited, so the cost is also high. So scientists were started to obtain such a similar artificial fiber, and they succeed in the end of the 19th century. So this fiber was called rayon. Okay, so this fiber was called rayon. Such fibers means rayon is obtained by a chemical treatment of the wood pulp. So this fiber was called rayon or artificial silk also. Although rayon is obtained from a natural source, means the wood pulp, yet it is a man-made fiber. It is cheaper than silk and can be woven like the silk fibers. Types of synthetic fiber we are going to see the rayon. So it can also be dyed in wide variety of colors. So rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, or it is mixed with wool to make carpets. Another synthetic fiber is nylon, and this is also the man-made fiber and made in 1931. It was man-made without using any natural raw material. Means we have seen that rayon is made, means rayon is the first synthetic fiber, but it is made with the help of wooden pulp. Means some kind of natural fibers are used, but here nylon was fully synthetic because it was prepared from coal, water and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon fiber is strong, elastic and very lightweight. It was lustrous, easy to wash, and so it becomes very popular for making clothes. So we use many articles which made from the nylon, such as socks, ropes, stains, toothbrush, car seats, or sleeping bags, curtains, etc. Means this list is like the endless. Nylon is very strong, as we are using, if we consider its strength, so it is means it's considered that it is stronger than the steel wire. So just you can see here, it is made for, yes, it is made for the parachute making also. So nylon is also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. A nylon thread is actually stronger than steel wire. So as we discussed, that nylon thread is that much strength it has. Okay, if we consider with the steel wire, so it is actually more strength